Hey guys, welcome back to Master Coders. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you print hello world and other stuffs in Python 3.8.3. So, open your IDLE. If you do not know how to install Python, I have a video made earlier if you want. See, after watching the download video, you have to go and open Python IDLE 3.8.3. I'm working on Python 3.8.3 shell right now. So this is the official Python IDLE interpreter and compiler. So Python is almost the most easiest language. You know why? Because it can do stuff like this and boom, hello world. So the most easiest and the best programming language for beginners is known as Python because it is very easy to learn, easy syntax. See, if you write this code in Java, you must have to write 3 lines for print hello. But now just see, write print, open brackets, it's a string, so mention hello, exclamation mark, close the string, close the bracket, hit enter, and you are the king. So we can do stuff like print this is Master Coders, boom, and it will auto select, and this is Master Coder, boom. This is the Python shell. If you want to open a new window, you have to press Ctrl N, or here go to File and New. See here, Ctrl N shortcut, boom, and new window is created. This untitled right now, so press Ctrl Shift S, and we have to save it. So I'll be saving it as Master Coder. So I'll be saving it on my desktop. So boom, mastercoder.py, it automatically saves the file at its Python file. So here also you have to write the same, print hello world, and now you have to run F5 and see. Here in the shell, it is directly directed to hello world. So this easy is Python. So stay tuned for next update and keep watching Master Coders. If you haven't, please share, subscribe, and like the video, and please contact us with comments down below. Thank you.